Let's shift focus to some domestic stories as well. Now, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will visit Russia on August 20 and 21st to meet his counterpart Sergei Lavrov in a bid to strengthen strategic ties with Moscow. Now, this is amid rising tensions with the US, remember. Now, he may also call on President Vladimir Putin. The visit following NSA Ajit Doval's recent trip to Russia will fine-tune the agenda for Putin's India visit later this year, which is going to be his first visit in 4 years. Now, it comes soon after a Modi and Putin phone call reaffirming this special and privileged strategic partnership. Now, let's get Sumita here to get us all the details on this front.
That's right. We're given to understand from sources that External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar could be travelling to India later this month, which is essentially between 18th till the 21st of this month. And between 19th and 20th, essentially, is when he will hold meetings with the members of the Russian leadership. And that also includes a possible meeting with Deputy Prime Minister of Russia, Denis Manturov. Other than that, sources are also suggesting, ET now, that he will, of course, be addressing a business forum as well, where members from both Indian business community as well as Russian business community are likely to be present. Remember, this is a significant visit. It's an important, crucial visit that's coming in, given the fact that we've seen a visit of the NSA Ajit Doval to Russia earlier this month as well, where India firmed up its ties with Russia. In fact, they talked up their ties, the strategic partnership that both the countries enjoy, both the countries have at the moment. In fact, while visiting Russia, the NSA also met with President Putin, and he stated, and I quote, "We are very excited and delighted to learn about the visit of President Putin to India. I think the dates are almost finalized now." Commenting on the relationship between the two countries, Doval said, and I quote, "You have very rightly mentioned that we have a very special relationship, long relationship, and we highly value our strategic partnership." So, of course, he did hint about the fact, he did speak about the fact that Vladimir Putin will be visiting Russia later this year. And, of course, that followed a phone call between Prime Minister Modi and President Putin, wherein India extended an invitation for President Putin to visit India later this year for the Russia-India annual summit. Remember, this is coming in just days after Donald Trump announced elevated tariffs on India of 50%, and that precisely because India has been doing energy trade, oil trade with Russia. However, both sides have continued to maintain, Russia and India, that this is a time-tested partnership, and of course all the decisions that will be taken by India will be in the interest of its industry and will be in national interest.
Sumita, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.